It's a familiar story, isn't it? We set a bold new goal, full of energy and high expectations. We imagine a flawless journey to success. But then, reality hits. So many people quit, not because they lack ability, but because they're chasing an illusion: perfection. They miss one workout, and the guilt sets in. They skip one journal entry, and the blank page feels like a judgment. They delay one upload, and suddenly the entire project feels doomed. This all-or-nothing thinking is a trap that convinces us that one small stumble means total failure. But progress doesn't require perfection. It never has. The truth is, the path forward isn't a straight line. It's a messy, beautiful, and deeply human process of trying, failing, and trying again. What it requires is consistency. It's about showing up when you don't feel like it. It's choosing the 5-minute workout over no workout. It's writing one sentence instead of a full page. These small, repeatable actions are the building blocks of momentum. Think of it this way. One drop of water won't shape a rock, but thousands over time will carve a canyon. Each drop is insignificant on its own, but together, their impact is monumental. Your small daily efforts work the same way. When you show up consistently, even imperfectly, you send a powerful message to your future self. I can be trusted. You are forging an identity. You are becoming the person who finishes what they start, not because it's easy, but because you made a promise. So let go of the grand, flawless plan. Don't aim to be perfect. Perfection is rigid and fragile. It shatters at the first sign of trouble. Instead, aim to be consistent. Consistency is flexible and resilient. It bends, it adapts, and it always finds a way forward. If you miss a day, you don't spiral into guilt. You simply begin again tomorrow. Each small step, taken day after day, adds up to a great distance. That's how mountains move.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.